Slicing strings. You can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and the end index, separated by a colon to return a part of the strings. Let me show you the example how to do Python slicing here. Let's say we have E with assigned value hello world, and we want to slice this to get 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. We want to start from 0, 1, 2 from this to the rest. So what we can do is assign B with slicing 0, 1, 2. Okay, we put 2 here and the rest. So this will output from LLO up to the end of the word. So if we print, it will start from this one, this L, because we count it from the left, start from 0. This is 1, this is 2. So it will start from here to the rest. If we want to start from LL until O and you don't want to output the rest, what you need to do is just put 5 here. Let me make sure that it is counted correctly. This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put 5 because at this point it will stop from here to here. So we must put 5 here. So now if we print it, now we have hello. What about if you want to put only hello and you do not want to put the rest? Simply remove this line, remove 2, and then we can have the output of hello. This is basically a number of 0, but for the efficiency we can remove it. So if we want to output 0, it will have the similar result. So the other things that you can do here is if you want to turn negative value, for example, you only want to have the world, not from hello. You can take it from the right hand side, not only from the left hand side, but from the right hand side, it will start from minus. For example, if you want to take the whole word like this, you can count it from here. This is 1, not counting from 0, because on the right hand side you count it from 1, but on the left hand side you start count it from 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can start it from here, from minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you want to stop it at the quotation mark here. So this is counted as minus 1. So now if you print it, you only got world. So this is the way how you can play around with the slicing. You can also get the hello by simply removing this, and then you give 5, and it will only print hello because this is called 0 and it start from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it stop from to this line, to this comma. It will output the rest. The other way that we can do by putting double colon here. So if we see that this is start from 1 and then stop it to the rest, so what will happen? It only output from E because E started from 1 and to the rest. And this is a little different from the previous one, where the previous one only has one colon, but now if since we put a double colon, it behave different. So for example, if you put minus 1 here, what happens in here is it will return the hello world start from right to the left. So it will turns upside down from here to here. So this is very useful if you want to make a puzzle application. So this is why you need to understand how to play with string indexing. Please play around with the slicing because it's quite useful. Once and understand to play with the slicing strings, you might move to the next part.